cruiser captured by Air Force. Move it carefully.
Echo 2, the package is secured. Proceed to extraction point immediately.
Over. Watch your spacing, drivers. We have approximately 10 clicks until the rendezvous point. Stay alert. Over. Sector clear.
What are they hiding?
Clear for test flight.
Running pre-fleet check. Tracking at 2,000 feet.
Confirmed. Huh.
What is that?
It moved unlike any plane I've seen.
Tell us exactly what you saw.
Have you seen unusual activity?
Well, I don't rightly know what you mean, mister.
What exactly is the nature of activities at this facility?
I can neither confirm nor deny the allegations at this time. We are maintaining our official stance on this matter.
7.4 divided by the cosine of the angle. That gives us the stress factor. Now, if we increase the sweep,
Checking lift coefficients.
Multiple contacts.
База обнаружена. ВПП-1 идентифицирована. Активность у большого строения. Замечено две тени. Объект идентифицирован по сетке. Приоритет.
We need to increase security.
U2 ready for high-altitude mission.
Controls free and clear. Engine instruments green. Radio checks loud and clear. Ready for taxi. Reconnaissance confirms target acquisition. Position is 38 north, 77 west. What do you think is out there?
Wow, look at the size of it! Yeah!
Can we go closer, Dad? If I can just get one clear shot. This is a restricted area.
I'm telling you, they're testing something extraordinary.
Look at all these redactions.
I worked on propulsion systems unlike anything public.
She's a beauty.
The reactor would theoretically amplify gravity waves.
Morning, Frank. Badge clear. Next. Long flight today.
stop all of us.
Warning. You have entered a restricted area. Your presence has been detected and recorded. Security forces are being dispatched.
Stealth bomber, ready for night operations.
What we know for certain is
the facility was used for development of autonomous systems testing,
I can't believe we're finally here. Look at this little guy. We definitely need to buy this for the collection. This whole place is amazing.
Commercial satellites now show
Welcome to the little alien.
Look, up in the sky.
Magnifique. Prenez une photo!
Get a picture quickly.
The actual history is fascinating enough.
The truth about Area 51.
The evidence clearly shows that the official story is a fabrication. We must look beyond the lies.
when we examine the actual evidence.
This facility was used for testing advanced aircraft.
It works.
There it is again.
We can confirm some historical programs.
I got it! Woo! That looks amazing!
Documenting visible changes.
Central Command, this is Unit 3. Perimeter remains secure. No unauthorized activity detected. Over.
This intercontinental ballistic missile represents the height of Cold War tensions. Its development led directly to the space race.
Flow separation at 35 degrees.
Careful with that beam.
Today's test parameters.
Solid copy. We're moving ahead on Sector 4. Keep the pressure on. We're making good time.
Delta 459, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff. Wind advisory active. Maintain runway heading until 4,000 feet.
Torque is set on the main strut.
And the pressure reading.
Holding steady at 50 psi. Good work. Torque is set on the main strut.
And the pressure reading.
Holding steady at 50 psi. Good work.
Fuel transfer complete.
We did it!
sectors reporting in.
What really happened here?
What are they working on today?
That's like nothing I've seen. Innovation continues.
Official acknowledgement of the aerospace testing site. While the full history involves selective disclosure, we recognize this partial truth.
This aircraft was tested at.
Some records remain classified.
Satellite images show expansion.
They can't stop all of us!
This is a restricted area. Please turn around.
Get your alien burgers here, fresh off the grill.
Official festival teas, only 20 bucks.
Let's talk about what we actually know.
That's just we hate more their full jung behazig.
Yeah, I like that.
The U2 program began in 1955.
We can now acknowledge
Area 51 represents aerospace innovation.
But the structural integrity of this design is questionable.
Non, je dois m'opposer. The lift coefficient is optimal.
We must.
So that's how stealth works.
Remember that test flight in '62?
Analysis of declassified programs reveals.
Observe the syncline formation below, ladies and gentlemen, a testament to millions of years of geological uplift and erosion.
The counter is spiking near the saguaro. Are you getting the same reading?
Yes, the radiation levels are slightly elevated right here. Note the geological anomaly over there as well.
Sector 4, perimeter clear. Moving to checkpoint 3.
10-4, dispatch out.
Good morning, team. The primary objective for this shift is operational continuity in the western sector. Ensure all protocols are followed precisely.
This ecosystem is unique, and it is our responsibility to ensure its care for future generations.
Look at the energy output projections here. Yeah.
That's a significant improvement for the new satellite design. We should proceed with the integration.
Make sure you get the mountains in frame. Aim.
Just posted new photos.
You could work in aerospace.
This training program focuses on cultivating the expertise necessary for these complex systems. Pay close attention to the next schematic.
Specifications confirmed.
This is an exercise.
Let's hear everyone's concerns.
So if we look here at the turn of the century, the pace of innovation really accelerated, leading us right up to the space age.
And here we see the mighty Saturn V rocket ascending to the stars. One day, perhaps you'll journey even further.
Those stars. Look at those stars.
Haley, based on available evidence,
This area has ancient history.
Capturing legal airspace imagery.